Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Sir J. Mariponte. We
We
are
are
your
your
reporters
reporters
of
of
rules
rules
and
and
function
functions
and
of
communicators
communicators
and
and
journalists.
journalists. I am Liza Amarillo.
And I am Lady May Dimigaya.
So, to start our discussion, let us discuss first a communication. Communication is practiced by communicators and journalists, and it delivers informations to the public. So, communicators and journalists have rights, responsibilities, and accountabilities to exercise and live by which must provide guarantees against censorship and protection of freedom of expression, safeguarding the confidentiality of journalistic sources, and ensuring that information held by the government can be.
Communication. From the word communication, communication is ginagamit yun nato as pang-adlaw-adlaw bisan asa man ta mga adto or bisan naa man ta sa balay. For example, a lot of people kay na ay concerns and issues sa atong society. So para mas ma-analyze nato or ma-fully clearly understand sa tuang pangunahuna ang mga social concerns and issues sa atong society, kinahanglan nato ang communication sa usat usa para magsingkin sa tong pangunahuna kung tama ba o mali ang ilang ginalahad sa tua.
Collecting and documenting information and must be at the service of truth. As a professional practitioners of communication, they must be at the service of truth.
Information. Focus on issues crucial to society. Second, report information to the public. And lastly, highlight facts and events that matter. So meaning, nag-focus siya sa mga issue sa society. Example, kana mga reporters nga itong madungog og makita sa mga balita. Kana sila is nag-focus siya sa issue sa society, then ilang nang ilahad sa TV or radyo ang ilang information na nakuha. Then gina-highlight lang nila ang facts ug events na ilang ginamatter.
Guidance. It influences people through words, animation, and photos, and shape public opinion. So, the guidance refers to advice or information provided by a person of experience to solve a problem or improve something. The guidance also refers to the process of helping individuals to discover and develop their potential. The need of guidance is something that cannot be ignored by anyone.
Interpretation of news assists the public in understanding the facts and events being reported, control over which themes or issues focus on. So, interpretation of news, kanang mga reporters nga atong makita og madungog sa TV o radyo, kana sila is ginaistudihan jud na nila ilang mga gipang report aron mas masabtan sa manananaw ug magdudungog kung unsay mga nahitabo. For example, kaning COVID-19 cases, di ba kasagaran sa mga balita nga atong madungog makita, mo jud na ang sulod. Kana siya is ginaistudihan na nilag maayo aron mas ma-aware ang mga katawhan kung unsa nang nahitabo sa atong society.
Educate or education. Educate people by guiding them in various issues through additional pieces, and encourage the public to participate in society building. So, the main purpose of education is to educate individuals within society, to prepare and qualify them for school or work and economy, as well as to integrate people into society and teach them values and morals of society. The role of education is socializing individuals and to keep society smoothing and remain stable. Information and conduct research for their stories.
Entertainment provides entertainment to the public audience, sports, theatrical, hobbies, and leisure. So from the word entertainment, so atong makuan jud na is showtime, ASAP or magandang buhay. So ang showtime di ba kana sila is Ang mga artista dira is naga-entertain sa mga tao. Labi na sila Vice Ganda, sila Vong, sila Ann. Naga-entertain sila sa mga nananaw. Kay para ilahang goal para ang mga tao is dili mo bored sa ilang kuan og mutaas pa ilang mga ratings or mga ingana. Then sa mga ganang buhay, 'di ba, gina-entertain nila Melay, nila Carla ug Julina ang ubang artista kung sa mga nahitabo sa ilang life, kung silang mga hobbies or 'di ba usahay gani magluto-luto pa sila, more sports nga na.
Reporting duties. Gather first-hand information and conduct research for their stories. So, reporting duties is collecting, verifying, and analyzing thoroughly newsworthy information, assembling findings into a stable story, writing and delivering news stories with the reader's perspective in mind.
Working with people, collaboration in delivering meaningful information, involvement with different people. For example, kanang mga artista nga naghihimog movies, teleserye, ang mga artista, director, cameraman, or etc. is nag-work sila together. Nagatinabangay sila para mas successful ilang ginabuhat na project.
Legal responsibilities. It follow the law by respecting people's privacy, and careless actions may result in lawsuits. So, legal responsibility has specific duties imposed upon a person to care or provide for another, including liability for personal obligation as granted through a power of attorney or court order.
Ethical responsibilities. Deliver accurate and neutral information, must have integrity. So meaning, ginadeliver nila ang information na tama o accurate para maiwasan nato ang mga fake news.
So, before we end our discussion, let us wrap up. Communications allows share ideas and information and enables mutual understanding of social issues and concerns. Journalists and communicators are expected to deliver factual information to the public. As professional practitioners of communication, they must be at the service of truth.
The function of journalists and communicators consists of information, interpretation of news, guidance, education, and entertainment. Journalists and communicators must also exercise the duties and responsibilities embedded in their role as servers of information in society. There are reporting, working with people, legal responsibilities, and ethical responsibilities. Thank you for listening. God bless.
And have a good day.